under, okay? Hold on to my shoulders.
Okay.
Ready? Give me that. Did he go under? Did you go under?
Yeah.
How close are you to that camera? Really close? How close is he? Really close? He's videoing. Good. I hope it got you going underwater. You want to do it again? Did you show your mommy? Ready? Hold on to my shoulders.
I am.
Ready? Did he go under?
Yeah.
Does he go under?
You said to get under.
It's really hard to pull him under with the swimsuit on, with the life jacket on. I'm like going, I'm like, bam! Yeah. Because we swam underwater over there too.